HIA-LI Trade Show. I'm Eliud Custodio with Turn One Studio and have the pleasure of sitting with Steve Kuperschmid from Ruskin, Moscow, Faltischek. Welcome.
Hello. Thank you.
Did I get it right?
You got it
For some
right.
reason, I feel like I'm choking on these names, but I think I'm doing
I-
all right today.
If you can say Kuperschmidt and Faltischek in the same sentence, you're on a roll.
A lot of letters there. All right. So you're an attorney, but you're also an HIA board member,
I
and
am.
we're at the HIA show.
And I'm very proud of the HIA show.
Why is that?
Well, it's wonderful. There are so many businesses from Long Island here today. And the thing I noticed this year is the types of businesses are very varied. They're very varied by industry and they're very varied by size. In the past, I think there were a lot of smaller entrepreneurial, maybe mom and pop
Or
type
startup.
business, startup, but there are established companies, there are banks, there are um, government agencies, there are utilities. It's really impressive.
Nice. So when you're walking down the rows, are you looking for anything in particular?
Snacks.
Snacks. Okay, that's
Yeah.
important. That's why we have the Tootsie Pop.
Right,
Yeah,
yeah.
we know.
Um, yeah, I'm looking to see what's new, what's happening on Long Island. This is a
Okay.
great place to do that. I'm a business lawyer. So I buy and sell companies, I raise money for companies, I advise companies strategically. And to see the types of businesses that are coming to this trade show really gives me insight into the marketplace.
Nice. As far as the marketplace and economic sentiment, if you will, are you getting a vibe from any of the folks that you're talking about? Are they bullish this year, bearish?
The people here are bullish.
Okay, that's good to hear.
The people that are here are bullish. You have construction, you have a lot of IT, you have a lot of healthcare. They're all bullish
And they're booking gigs.
and they're booking gigs.
Excellent.
And there is some event planning too, speaking of booking gigs.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's definitely a bullish market here.
that's good to hear. They run a good show.
Yeah. And I went to the executive luncheon and the whole theme there was to create infrastructure to support that bullishness, which really is encouraging. It's really encouraging.
What examples did they give of the type of infrastructure we need to build?
Station yards, right?
Okay, that's a great
It's a
example.
great example because Jim Coughlin was saying it's not just building affordable housing. And I agree with him. It's building housing where people, and I'm going to say not just young people,
Okay.
but where people will actually want to live, where they'll want to go. So there's got to be, all the usual suspects, Patchogue, Ronkonkoma, Huntington.
Okay. So it's not necessarily cost driven, it's they want to be there.
Correct. Correct. It's a factor, cost, obviously,
Right.
but you got to want to go.
Interesting. Did they have I remember the last time I did these interviews, I guess at this show last year. There's been plenty in between, but a lot of the comments then, the comments thread were issues hiring and retaining talent. Are you still hearing that as a concern now? That may connect with some of the housing issues we were just talking about.
Yes, but it's interesting. We have a lot of young people at our firm, and I talk to them. For a long time, I was hearing about young people who wanted to move off of Long Island, get out of the area. I don't know. I'm not going to say it's stabilized, but I
Okay.
just don't feel like it's as a magnetic pull as it used to be.
Okay.
There's a shot here. And I think what I heard them talk about mostly was infrastructure, energy infrastructure, utility infrastructure that would allow the right kind of development to create the right kind of environment to make people want to stay here.
Excellent. So going back to your company, your firm, what type of businesses here should reach out to you? What's a good fit?
The easy answer is every single business here.
Okay.
But to be more specific, we focus on the middle market.
Okay.
So anybody that has a commercial business, even a startup, we do a lot of startup work, but an established business looking to grow in the middle market, or an entrepreneur maybe looking to exit or take on a partner. Those are all things that we look at in our group. I chair the corporate and securities group. I'm the co-chair, and we have many other practice areas that anybody could look at for trust and estates, litigation, real estate, healthcare. But in our group, we look at middle market companies.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Before we wrap up, obviously the HIA has broad reach throughout Long Island, but they are based in Hop Park. From what I understand, can we talk about that?
Oh, I'm based in Hop Hog.
Okay.
Sometimes
I wasn't sure we could share
I
that.
can share that.
Okay. So where are you in Hop
In
Hog then?
fact, I think the press release might have gone out yesterday or today.
Oh, get out. Okay.
Maybe it's supposed to, but we're at 100 Motor Parkway. Can I say who else is in 100 Parkway? Where Turn One Studios is located,
I have a new neighbor.
and it's a great building. It's a Damiano's building. It's a fantastic building. We're really excited to be there. We have a lot of clients in the park, and want to meet new people in the park. So it's great.
And if you like motorcycles, you have to talk to this guy.
Call me if you want to go for a ride.
Steve, always a pleasure, man.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.